And this is pretty good stuff if you want to tint your lights out. I'm gonna go a few shades darker on my lower one, but it's really easy to use. I'll show you how to use it. So first, just follow the instructions. They're really easy on the back and everything. And it does say for off-road use only, probably because they know that in some places it's illegal to have your lights blacked out. And I'm just going to tell you, you probably shouldn't drive around with them right blacked out either, for legal reasons. Okay, first you want to tape off around your lights. If it was a really pretty truck like that one, I would have just taken the lights right out and done it in the garage. But I don't really care if I get a little bit on this one. It's had way worse. And then you're going to want to do just a few passings, just a few coats on it. I have about 6 coats on the back ones, and I have I think I have 8 on the bottom here, and I only did 3 on the top because I still want to be able to see at night. And I do have the LED bars, so I'm not really worried about that too much. One more coat, 2 I guess. I'll get the bottom marker a little bit more too. This side. So take the tape off. Just like that. And there you go. Yeah, they look pretty good. Yeah, just look at that. That is a really, really nice look, I think. And this stuff is only $13 per can. I got the 3 cans for free, but I've seen them around. It's the first time I've actually ever blacked out any lights, and I think I'm addicted now. I am just really impressed with the results. Now, I did these ones yesterday, and last night I tested them out, and when I hit the brake light, you can still see them there. But it's nice to have them blacked out for when I turn the lights off and, you know, don't want to be seen, because I'm totally up to legal things. Let's see what the lights look like when they're on. Well, you can barely see anything out of the bottom. I like that. That's good. But yeah, it's the same level of almost like nothing on the bottom. Haha, ghost mode. There you have it, $13. Really decent tint job.